The People's National Party fought for universal adult suffrage, but did not win political office for 17 years after it first saw the light of day. The PNP laid the foundations for an independent Jamaica, but it was 10 years after before the nation elected Michael Manley as the first Prime Minister from the People's National Party. And yet, the party has endured because it has been underpinned by a clear sense of purpose and motivated always by a single mission. That was set out by N.W. Manley with great clarity when he said, the party is being created to raise the standard of living for the people of Jamaica as a national whole. As in our natural lives, so in political life, the party has witnessed both victory and defeat. It has had its triumphs and its setbacks. There is a current tendency to discredit the role of political parties, not only in Jamaica, universally. But no one can dare to deny their essential value to the promotion of the economic and social welfare in any democratic society. The PNP has demonstrated its value time and time again in innumerable ways through the policies and programs which it has pursued and its unwavering commitment to the upliftment of our people.